Once upon a time in the vast expanse of the universe, there was a pure, loving soul that was created by God. It was a soul that radiated kindness and compassion and was filled with the desire to spread love and harmony wherever it went. God, in His infinite wisdom, decided to attach this beautiful soul to a human body and send it down to Earth, with the hope that it would enjoy all the wonders of this planet and live in peace and love with other souls such as trees, plants, animals, and birds. As the soul entered its new body, it could feel the warmth of the sun, hear the gentle rustle of leaves and the chirping of birds. It was a surreal experience, and the soul was filled with excitement and curiosity, eager to explore its new surroundings. But as days went by, the soul realized that the human body it was attached to had limitations. It could only communicate through a set of complex sounds and movements, and it could not move from one place to another without the help of external tools. However, the soul was determined to follow God's instructions and live in harmony with other souls. With this in mind, it attached itself to trees and plants, nourishing them and helping them grow. It did not want to harm any other soul, so it stayed in one place, content with spreading love and positivity to its surroundings. Decades later, the situation had changed. Humanity had devolved into a state of conflict and violence, disregarding the fundamental teachings of love and peace. The pure, loving soul began to fade as it got corrupted by the negative influences of the world. It was heart-wrenching for the soul to see how humans had deviated from their purpose and were causing destruction instead of spreading love and positivity. And then, one day, God decided that enough was enough. He could not let His creations destroy themselves and the beautiful planet He had created for them. He made the difficult decision to destroy all human souls and put an end to the chaos. The pure, loving soul, although saddened by this turn of events, understood God's decision. It hoped that in the next cycle of creation, humans would remember the true meaning of their existence and spread love and harmony instead of hatred and destruction. And with that, the human souls were destroyed, and the earth slowly recovered from the damages caused by mankind. The pure, loving soul, now free from the burden of a human body, once again returned to the universe, hoping to find a new purpose and spread love wherever it went. The primary objective of a soul attaching to a body is to experience love and happiness. The physical similarity between the soul and the body serves as a reminder to the soul of the interconnectedness between them. This understanding helps the soul to recognize the harm caused by mistreating the body and ultimately leads to a realization of the consequences of hurting others.